up after me breakfast. Now, today the lovely Shetty is going to show you just how simple it is to transform a frumpy old nightgown into a fabulous frock fit for the warmer weather. So stick around for that, and now go on with you. I got to finish me washing up.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this crazy quick no-sew project, all you need is a vintage elastic or empire waist nightgown and your seam ripper. Now, these nighties can be found just about anywhere at charity shops and thrift stores, even clothing swaps. They were super popular in the 70s and 80s, and they're lovely and lightweight with groovy patterns that are perfect for summer weather. So because my nightie has this kind of a decorative ribbon tie here, I'm going to remove that first. Next, to get rid of this annoying and very old-fashioned empire waist, I'm simply going to remove this interior elastic. Now, because this is a very vintage polyester fabric, I'm going to be removing these stitches 1 or 2 at a time maximum, because I really don't want to cause any holes or tears into this old funky fabric.
Hello, are you enjoying this video? Then why don't you subscribe to the Confessions of a Refashionista channel, follow Sherry on social media, and buy her $3 ebooks. They are packed with fantastic Refashionista tutorials. The link is down below. You can even get a deal with 645 code. That code 645. 645. Okay, you go back and finish the video.
And once that frumpy elastic empire waist is removed, I now have a beautifully smooth and gorgeous maxi dress for summer. Now, quick tip, when you remove the elastic waist, because it has been in there for quite a few decades, you may want to just give the fabric a quick press with the iron. If your fabric is polyester, please remember to put a nice cotton hanky or thin towel over top of the fabric to protect it from burning. And from that kind of tacky tie that I removed from the nightgown first, I created an adorable wrap bracelet. All I had to do was stitch the ends together, then I added an adorable button from my stash and simply wrapped it around my wrist 3 times. And I have a perfectly matching wrap bracelet to go with my groovy new maxi dress. Don't you just love quick and easy refashions that take no time at all and yet look stellar? Don't forget to check out my $3 ebooks. They are packed with rockin' Refashionista tutorials, sustainable lifestyle tips and tricks. Plus, I have my brand new eco-friendly beauty book that is chock full of simple, very affordable DIY recipes and toots for, having glowing skin and gorgeous hair. For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' Refashionista tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceasshattery.com. And as always, while you're there, share your fave tutorials and tips and tricks with your online circles. And let's get everyone living a more eco-fashion, second-hand, sustainable lifestyle. And until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.